Are you ready to revolutionize the way you create videos? Imagine transforming your ideas into stunning video content in just seconds. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, welcome to VideoGen, the groundbreaking AI-powered video generation tool that's changing the game for marketers, content creators, and anyone looking to add a visual flair to their message. With VideoGen, you can kiss complicated editing software goodbye. This innovative platform allows you to generate and edit videos using advanced artificial intelligence, making it easier than ever to produce professional quality content at lightning speed. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, VideoGen simplifies the video creation process, making it accessible and efficient for everyone. One of the standout features of VideoGen is its state-of-the-art text-to-speech narration. Imagine having the world's most advanced text-to-speech engine at your fingertips, delivering audio that sounds indistinguishable from human voices. You can choose different voices, tones, and accents, bringing your script to life in a way that engages your audience like never before. But that's not all. VideoGen also offers seamless stock footage integration. You can effortlessly find and incorporate high-quality stock clips right into your videos, giving your project that extra polish with minimal effort. And for those of you who prefer working on the go, VideoGen makes editing a breeze with its browser-based platform. No downloads, no installations, just open your browser and start creating. This convenience ensures that you can produce content anytime, anywhere, leaving you more time to focus on being creative. Finally, the optimized video editor is designed for speed and simplicity, allowing you to add those finishing touches with ease. Whether it's tweaking the audio, adding text overlays, or incorporating special effects, VideoGen empowers you to create captivating videos that leave a lasting impression. So why wait? Dive into the future of video creation with VideoGen. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's unleash your creativity together with VideoGen.